Let me show you how to text behind in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Firstly, go to Select menu and select Subject. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate the selected area. Now add some text like this. Increase the size of text. Right-click on text and choose Skew. Adjust position like this. Align text into the center. Now duplicate the text layer. Select this layer and go to Blending Options. Fill opacity is 0 and add some stroke. That's it. Subscribe for more tutorial. Thanks for watching.